Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young girl named Hattie. She had a dream to become a pilot and fly high in the sky. But like any dream, hers wasn't without its challenges. Hattie had faced bullies who constantly tried to bring her down with hurtful words. As she sat in the pilot seat about to take off in a light aircraft, the voices of those bullies from her past echoed in her mind. They whispered doubts and insecurities into her ears. The bullies had teased her, saying things like, "You're just a girl. You can't do it. What a loser. You can't do sports." The hurtful words haunted her. Hattie was on the radio requesting permission to taxi to the runway. She couldn't let those voices stop her. The air traffic controller responded, giving her clearance for takeoff. With a deep breath, Hattie revved up the engine and sped down the runway. But as the aircraft gained speed, Hattie's confidence began to waver. The negative voices in her head grew louder. Looking out at the landscape below, she felt like she was losing control. Inside the cockpit, Hattie was panicking. She closed her eyes, trying to drown out the negativity. Then she remembered something: the encouraging words of her teachers. They had always believed in her and urged her to believe in herself. In a whisper, Hattie said to herself, "You can do this. You have what it takes." With newfound determination, Hattie regained control of the aeroplane. She pulled it out of a nosedive and the plane stabilized. The sky ahead was clear, and Hattie could see the endless possibilities. Back in the cockpit, Hattie took a deep breath and smiled. She knew that words could have power. The power to bring you down or lift you up. But she had chosen not to listen to the negativity. She believed in herself and her dreams. The airplane successfully landed, and Hattie stepped out, still feeling the impact of the experience. She had proven that the power of self-belief could conquer the hurtful words of the bullies. As she walked away from the plane, Hattie whispered to herself, "Words have power. They can bring you down or build you up. But I choose not to listen to the negativity. I will make a difference and be kind." And with that, Hattie knew that she could soar beyond any obstacle and achieve her dreams.